Hi, and welcome to Cornea Revolution-Motwani Lasik. Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel. Up next, our patient came in kind of confused and misinformed of whether or not she was a candidate for LASIK. Part of it was due to her rare astigmatism and high correction. So if you feel like you're in a similar situation, please give us a call and we'll help you.
Hi, I'm Krista. I'm originally from Roseville, California, but I've been living in San Diego for the past 7 years. And I've had awful vision for the majority of my life. I got glasses when I was 7 or 8 years old. And up until now, I've been wearing glasses or contacts for the rest of that time. I had severe nearsightedness, and I had astigmatism in both eyes, and also had dry eye from wearing contacts for so many years. So my eyes were awful, and I wanted to do something about it. I honestly didn't think I was a candidate for LASIK, and one of my friends who had it encouraged me to get a consultation. So I started doing some research, and I actually found Dr. Motwani through Yelp. He had the highest Yelp reviews in San Diego. So I went and got the consultation. I actually planned to get a consultation from a couple other doctors as well, but when I got here and got the consultation, I was so impressed by Dr. Motwani's research, and the staff was so nice, and everyone was so confident that they could help me with my eyes. So I ended up just making an appointment, and I'm really glad that I did, because I came and got the procedure. Everything went really well, but then my vision wasn't totally corrected, and they found out that I had a rare form of astigmatism under my cornea, and which I guess they haven't seen very often. And so luckily Dr. Motwani's processes and research and methods, they were able to figure out how to better correct it. So I actually came back and did the procedure again. And now I have 20/15 vision, which is insane. Definitely life-changing. First of all, I can see when I go to bed and wake up, which is just unbelievable to me. My driving experience is much better. I can see a lot more details, especially at night, because I had astigmatism. The experience, I didn't used to like driving at night at all, and now I don't have a problem with it. And just like my work and daily activities are so much better because I don't have to wear contacts every day. I don't have to touch my eyes every day. So it's definitely worth it, and I'm so happy that I did it.